A modern army lost a war. To birds. In 1932, Australia declared war on emus. Soldiers with machine guns were sent to fight. But the emus were too fast, too smart. They scattered in small groups, making them impossible targets. After weeks of failure, the army retreated. The birds won. Who do you think would win in a rematch today?